Thank you for tuning in to the Grand Solar Minimum channel. Sacramento was hit with an atmospheric river Wednesday as a storm swept through the region, dumping record amounts of rain and leaving hundreds without power. Downtown Sacramento had received 1.39 inches of rain since Wednesday morning. Sacramento Executive Airport recorded 1.4 inches of rain, breaking the record of 1.31 inches set in 1978. Storm systems like the one we're seeing today begin far out at sea and gather abundant moisture as they travel towards land, often driven by high winds. Atmospheric rivers can hold more than 10 times the amount of water found in the Mississippi River. All that rain can be a boon for the region, but also carries threats. Heavy rain from an atmospheric river last January pounded Santa Barbara County, leading to the deadly Montecito mudslides. And today's storm is sparking similar concerns. Flash flood warnings have been issued in Santa Barbara and Ventura counties in the burn zones of the 2017's Thomas Fire. The storms will then roll east, bringing heavy snow to parts of the Midwest, barely recovered from the 20 inches of snow last week. Before the storms exit the country, forecasters warn that parts of New England could be slammed with 40 inches of snow. The second of two storms this week will be a blockbuster in terms of impact and dangerous conditions. In Northern California, trees and power lines toppled in some areas, deluged up to 5 inches of rain in recent days. The scenic Pacific Coast Highway was closed overnight near Big Sur due to mudslides and flooding. In Southern California, the San Bernardino County Fire Department said 19 vehicles crashed and 35 people suffered minor to modest injuries in a crash caused by fog near the mountainous Cajon Pass. These storms show no mercy. This is a life-threatening situation. If you are in these affected areas, please take no risk.
It's a war zone out there on Bear Creek Road. For those of us that use it as an artery between here and Highway 17, it's not advisable for anybody to drive. 3 feet of snow or more were forecasted in the High Sierra Nevada, where blizzard warnings will be in effect through tonight. Those who are on the road through the heart of the snow and ice areas will be at risk for becoming stranded for many hours. You may have to face temperatures plummeting to dangerously low levels. So we really urge people to be safe and proceed with caution if you are in any of these areas affected throughout the country.
You can round a corner and before you know it, at least half the road is washed away. So you have to try to divert, and there's down power lines, trees, rocks, mud, and just debris covering the roads.
Then this storm's on its way over to the east, over to GSM headquarters, where we'll be covering the event extensively. 40 inches is possible in parts of northern New England and other regions in the Northeast. Please catch us at 9 p.m. with Jake tonight with the latest in-depth coverage on the storm. Close to 30 inches of snow may fall on parts of central and northern New York State, and possibly parts of the northern tier of Pennsylvania. Snow rates could reach to 2 to 3 inches per hour. Snowfall of 12 to 24 inches is likely to be more common in the heaviest band from the storm. But blowing and drifting at the height and conclusion of the storm may cause the snow depth to vary by several feet. Plows are not likely to be able to keep up as the storm strengthens, will cause major blowing and drifting of the snow. As always, we'll keep you updated on the Grand Solar Minimum channel. Please like and share.